The countdown is on to the spooky season, and what better way to support our audience than with a Halloween-themed countdown? We've created this list of Envato Elements' top 10 best spooktacular Halloween designs and templates to make life a little easier for creatives who need some Halloween 2021 content. All items featured are available on Envato Elements, a subscription-based service that will give you access to more than 1 million creative assets that will make you save time, money, and general resources. From video stock, fonts, PowerPoint templates, and everything in between to enhance your projects, find the link in the description below. Number 10. Raven Tarot Mystical Halloween by Lidiebug. Starting us off on our Halloween journey is this template pack filled with over 50 beautifully illustrated elements. Mystical ravens and magical crystals make this pack perfect for designing stickers, Instagram posts, fabric prints, logos, stationery, and much more. Number 9. Vintage Anatomy Vectors by CollectiveOffset. If you're looking to create some spooky, scary skeleton art, look no further than this pack of 50 vintage anatomy vectors. Images of creepy skulls, organs, and appendages are at your fingertips. Number 8. Evil Photoshop Action by UnicDesign. Turn your lovely photos into wicked works of art with this terrifying Photoshop action. Piercing red eyes, flaking, cracked skin, and eerie color filters will turn any portrait into an evil abomination. Number 7. Another Danger, Horror Font by TheBrandedQuotes. The number 7 victim on our list for Halloween 2021 is a typeface with a lust for blood. It's a classic typography style used in horror film intros, Halloween posters, and many other forms of media. Number 6. Monster Head by agungugang. Ghosts and mummies and witches, oh my! This animation is perfect for Halloween-themed logo reveals and other intro or outro purposes. It's cute, it's colorful, it's fun, and it's oh so spooky. If this Envato Elements Top 10 Best Spooktacular Halloween Designs and Templates countdown has sent shivers down your spine, be sure to ring that subscription bell, like, and share. We've got plenty more content where this came from. Now, let's get back to the sinister details and reveal the top 5 templates in our list. Number 5. Halloween Flyer by BrandPacks. Trick-or-treat nights, Halloween parties, escape rooms, and other events in the realm of spooky fun need digital and printable flyers to send the word out. This flyer template with bats, graveyards, and ghosts is a much more reliable way to share details than via Alpost, for sure. Number 4. Halloween Instagram Stories by Mage Motion. Create some seriously scare-tastic Halloween 2021 themed Instagram stories with this pack of story templates. It is perfect for helping e-commerce businesses promote their Halloween sales. Number 3. Halloween Flyers by BrandPacks. This easy-to-edit, print-ready 5x7 flyer template is perfect for promoting retail sale events around Halloween with spooky design elements including Grim Reapers, Scream Masks, Jack-o'-lanterns, and more. Number 2. Scary Things, Sharp and Creepy Serif by saridezra. This font is the perfect addition to the toolbox of graphic designers who specialize in illustrating movie posters that call for thriller and horror genre vibes. Sharp lines and strange angles set this font up as a Halloween film staple. Number 1. Halloween Story Greeting by Lava Motion. Halloween 2021 would not be complete without some fun, cartoon-style animations that are perfect for use in video advertisements, TV show intros, video game promos, and more. Halloween candy, witch hats, zombies, and cauldrons appear alongside many other spooky characters. Let us know your favorite number on this Halloween 2021 list in the comments below. We'd really appreciate it if you helped us grow our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Oh, and the next video in the queue has been made just for you. Be sure to check it out before you go. You can find all the Halloween designs and templates in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements. All the best with your spooky creations. We're off to watch The Nightmare Before Christmas for the 5th time this week. This is Halloween!